Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latavia, aka the Style Martian. So today we are doing a big chop video. I am so excited, but before we get into that, I'm gonna need you to smash that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much. I love you and I appreciate you, and we're on this journey together. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. A little brief background. So I went natural back in 2006. I was getting Dominican blowouts every 2 weeks and literally frying my hair to smithereens, like literally frying it. My ponytails were like this thin. What kind of stopped that was my discovery of YouTube videos and all the famous naturalistas that are now, you know, super huge. I was watching them when they were first starting out, and they were teaching us how to bantu knot. I hate saying bantu knot. It's called Chinese bumps for all my fellow Jamaicans out there. But yeah, so bantu knots, I was doing twist outs, and I kind of got tired of it. I'm super creative and I just love colors. I love different lengths. I grew my hair out super long, so I'll try to insert some photos of my hair growth back then. But yeah, I just seriously got tired of it, and I'm not gonna go through this whole long like
I'm cutting my hair because I want to be myself. I want to be one with myself and be the...
No. I'm actually cutting my hair because, to be honest, I don't like doing my hair. Y'all gonna see, my hair is literally in like dreadlocks right now. You can come for me, I don't care, but it's better for me to just like cut it off, easier for me to handle. And yeah, so the person who's doing my hair happens to be my really great friend and world-renowned stylist, Lurissa Lawson. Come on, give me a shot.
I got the shoulders there. Yes, this is my good friend Latavia Terry. We've been friends for years, and my name is Lurissa Lawson. I'm owner of Shekinah Beauty Salon here in Albany, New York, and also a member of Team Hollywood ran by Patrick Bradley.
Yes, so without further ado, we'll get into the video and we'll be right back.
Look at them dreads under there.
So what's going on here is that a lot of times when we're natural and we have color in it, we have to get daily moisture and bi-weekly deep conditioning treatments. Okay, that's what ensures that your hair stays healthy. And what happens with the color is that you suck so much moisture out of your hair that you have to continuously put it back in. So that's why she needs to come bi-weekly for deep conditioning treatments. Now that's if your hair is short or long, it doesn't matter. You can talk to your hair care professional and she can give you a regimen that you can create on a daily basis. So if you can't get to the salon as often as you want to, that you'll be still maintaining your hair while you're at home. So that's what I do for my clients. I educate my clients so they'll be able to maintain their hair, and Tay will definitely have a hair care regimen, but we're gonna get to the salon more often because it's a dope color. It's a really, really dope color, and a lot of times people don't believe that African Americans can wear high lift blondes like this, but it is possible. It's also possible with a relaxer. We have to dispel that myth that we can't get color and relaxer at the same time. We actually can. Actually, you can get it the same day, but you have to know what you're doing and you have to use the correct products, okay? So I don't recommend these techniques that I'm showing you today for everyone. You need to go to school, you need to get your license in order to do something like this and do it properly, because you will make somebody's hair fall out. top area, which is the interior part of her haircut, we're gonna leave that long. We're gonna give her a nice fringe bang, which is this area right here, and leave this long so when the curls come down, the color, we can kind of have room to play with it and do finger waves and stuff like that. Yeah. I love sideburns because they give detail to a cut, so we're gonna leave those sideburns on, and afterwards she's gonna have a nice, edgy, whole different look. It's a total makeover.
Legs shaking. Is it hot?
Final look.
Turn around. So you guys see the tapered in the back, the V shape we have going on. We did a little detail to the sides. You see the little baby hairs.
I love the style. I can't wait to go home and play around with it and do slick styles and just finger waves and all that.
Finger waves will look awesome.
Yes. Yeah, I can't wait.
Isn't she beautiful, guys? She's so pretty. My friend's so pretty.
Yes. So yes, definitely, again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at The Style Martian, Facebook at The Style Martian, and Lurissa.
You can find me on Instagram at the Shekinah Beauty or Lurissa Lawson, and also on Facebook, Lurissa Lawson as well.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time.